Hi, this is Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers. Out here on the river today with a beautiful 2014 37-foot Sea Ray Venture. This is the outboard that kind of started it all for outboard cruisers. This boat is absolutely wonderful. Got a little over 200 hours on it, and I'm excited to bring it to you. You notice here on the back that they got a sun deck here on the back. And also this side we have the backrest in place. Both these backrests will open up so that you've got the sun deck here on the back. Also have a nice big full swim platform, so you got plenty of room for the kids to go swimming, playing, or just flat enjoying the fiberglass beach back here. Nice big walk-through, so you got plenty of room to walk up to this flush deck. This big area here in this cockpit. This area has as much space as a lot of 40-foot boats. I want to show you the panoramic. Again, you notice the backrest cushion in the open position there, the one on the port side in the closed position. Got this nice big beautiful teak table that we can set 6 adults around for a meal. And speaking of meals, up here in the cockpit area, we've got the Kenyon electric grill as well as the Kenyon convection pad to cook on. Sink right here, refrigerator, and this boat has plenty of storage. So we walk up to the helm, a couple of things I want to show you. This is a joystick boat, so all we got to do to maneuver and move the boat is just like a video game. Just move it. One of the other cool things is we actually have the sky hook, so we can hold in place. That's the virtual anchor that we've talked about many times on the Sea Rays. Also has the Ray Marine as far as radar and the chart plotter. You notice the depth there as well as speed and other indicators as well. Up on the bow, 5-inch remote spotlight, electric anchor windlass, and a deck pad that goes here between the rails with the stereo speakers there as well. Nice easy walk through here from the cockpit area. Very easy to get up on the bow and for your mate to be able to get up and get the dock lines or work the anchor, whatever that might be. Also, nice lounge area over here on the port side. You'll also notice that we've got an extended top on the back. The owner custom made this. Really nice extra shade back here in the cockpit area. As we walk down into the forward part of the boat, into the salon area, you're going to notice that we've got a nice big V-bunk area. The reason I left those cushions out, those fill in when this table drops down to make that full bunk area in the V berth. But the best part of this boat, look at this master stateroom aft. You've got a full beam master stateroom with a queen size bed. You've got the little settee over here on the other side as well as the TV. Nice big windows to let natural light in, sitting area, and of course your hang-up lockers right here. Got a microwave down below as well as a nice stainless steel sink, refrigerator, and also we have the hardwood floors here in the sole of the boat. Got a nice big full shower, and of course the vacuum flush toilet system. Opening window in the head as well. So again, we can convert this front area very easily. Full table to sit around and enjoy a meal up here as well. So as we walk back towards the cockpit area of the 37, this is a great boat for cruising here in Southwest Florida.